Hello, this is Matt Hildebrand with Don's Appliances, and I'm going to show you how to change a water filter and when to really change a water filter in a couple different model refrigerators. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this GE refrigerator and show you how to change the water filter. So a lot of these units, will either have an indicator on the front of the machine that'll show you when to change the water filter, or generally you're going to want to change it every 6 months. So if you're going through a lot of water and a lot of ice, you're going to want to go ahead and change it twice a year. So I'm going to go ahead and open the filter case here. So what it is just a clip that pushes back. Now on this particular GE, and most GEs are like this, you pull it out till it stops and then you pull, so it'll come out. And when you go to replace your filter, what GE does, they'll show you a little front sticker. So we're going to want to make sure that's pointed towards the front, because there's specific notches in here that need to be pinpointed in place. So I'm going to go ahead and push that in and then go ahead and close that. So it's as easy as that. Now let's move on. Let's take a look at a Samsung refrigerator. And when we look at this, their filter's down here on this model. So we're going to go ahead and turn that and pull this forward. Now, to get a replacement filter, they usually have the filter number on the filter itself, whether it's in small writing on the side or whether it's really big. Or you can just look at the model and serial tag, which is typically on the left or right side of your refrigerator, depending on the brand or model. So on this Samsung, we're going to go ahead and slip that out. And then if you notice, just turn that so it's in the lock position. So what I did was I inserted it with the arrows facing left to right till I could feel it seed, and then I just turned it. So it's pretty easy. The last one we're going to take a look at, we're going to take a look at a Whirlpool unit. So in this particular Whirlpool refrigerator, their filter is up here in the ceiling. So I'm going to hit this little button, lift this up and out, and then I'm going to turn it a quarter turn to the left and pull it out. Now, you may have a little bit of water coming out here, so it may not be a bad idea to grab a rag or a paper towel and just have it ready, because you will have some water that's residual. And then go ahead and just line it up, turn it a quarter turn once you line it up to the right, like that, and then you're good to go. If you have any questions or if you have any concerns, you can go to any of our Pittsburgh or Erie locations, or go to donsappliances.com.